Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best fans for cars that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Hayousui USB car cooling fans. Hayousui USB car cooling fan is made for backseat passengers who need steady airflow during hot weather. It uses a dual head design that moves air throughout the vehicle, offering relief on long drives. With a 5-volt input, this electric fan runs using power from devices like laptops, car chargers, or portable batteries. The fan includes a long cord that stretches across most car interiors, helping reach backseat areas without stress. Its fan structure supports air movement across wide zones in sedans, trucks, recreational vehicles, and sport utility vehicles. Built for passenger comfort, it suits families traveling with children or pets. The clip-on build attaches to seat headrests and folds away when not needed, saving space during everyday use. The arms bend to help fit different vehicle types and seating setups. The fan has adjustable angles that let the airflow reach both front and back rows, and it includes multiple speed settings for user control. Whether used for quick cooling or constant breeze, it helps regulate air inside enclosed spaces. The fan stays quiet during use, making it suitable for relaxed driving or long trips where noise control matters. Aside from cooling, this car fan helps move stale air and reduce unpleasant smells. It can push out cigarette smoke, moisture, or warm air, offering cleaner surroundings. Its small size and flexible settings make it useful for different driving conditions across the year. For anyone seeking improved comfort inside a vehicle without adding permanent fixtures, this dual fan is a helpful choice. It improves airflow, supports cooling, and makes trips more pleasant by offering consistent air circulation powered through a basic USB source. In our list, the number 2 product name is Koonie rechargeable clip-on fan. Koonie rechargeable clip-on fan offers a portable cooling experience designed for people who enjoy comfort during travel, outdoor events, or indoor tasks. It combines a sturdy design with battery power to provide airflow without relying on constant electricity. With a modern look and strong clamp, this fan fits on desks, strollers, gym equipment, or golf carts, making it a helpful companion in many environments. The built-in battery has a large energy capacity, supporting long usage after each full charge. This fan is suitable for locations where outlets are not available, such as tents, vehicles, or outdoor spaces. It runs quietly with a low noise level, which allows peaceful use during work, rest, or while caring for children. With dual ports for charging, including both micro USB and Type-C connections, the fan works with different power sources like portable batteries, laptop computers, or phone chargers. This makes it simple to recharge during daily routines or outdoor adventures. 3 wide fan blades rotate efficiently to produce strong airflow across large or focused areas. The head rotates in every direction, giving flexibility in guiding the breeze exactly where it is needed. Different speed settings let users match the fan output to changing temperatures and personal needs. This fan suits homes, offices, workout areas, or camping spots where air movement helps with comfort or focus. Its compact shape fits into backpacks or travel bags, and the grip allows it to stay secure on uneven or narrow surfaces. With easy portability, stable performance, and quiet operation, this clip-on fan adds value to spaces where regular fans cannot reach or where silent airflow is important. In our list, the number 3 product name is Hayousui USB car fan for backseat. Hayousui USB car fan for the backseat offers a practical solution for keeping passengers cool during travel. Designed with dual fan heads, it allows separated airflow control for both sides of the rear seat. This setup provides better circulation inside the vehicle, making it ideal for families traveling with children or pets. Its compact size ensures it fits without taking up extra space, while its lightweight build supports easy adjustment on different car types. This car cooling device runs through a USB connection, compatible with most 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles such as trucks, vans, or sports utility vehicles. The flexible mount fits between rear seat headrest bars and holds steady during rides. Each fan head rotates in all directions, letting users direct air where needed. The fan uses a soft silicone hose to support easy movement and rotation for complete coverage. Both fans operate independently and include 3 airflow levels, giving flexibility depending on temperature needs. Integrated LED lights on each head add convenience during low light conditions and night driving. 2 brightness modes help illuminate the back seat without distracting the driver. The safety design includes a tight fan guard that protects small fingers, making it suitable for families with younger passengers. The airflow system helps circulate fresh air, clear smoke or dust, and reduce unpleasant smells caused by pets or humidity. This car fan offers consistent air movement, energy efficiency, and added comfort during long drives. Whether used in daily commutes, family road trips, or pet transport, it ensures passengers remain cool and relaxed in any season. In our list, the number 4 product name is TriPole USB-powered car fan. TriPole USB-powered car fan offers a portable cooling option designed to fit any journey. Its small size allows placement without blocking the driver's view or taking up unnecessary space. Whether driving a van, truck, sport utility vehicle, or recreational vehicle, this clip-on fan provides steady airflow for daily use or long-distance travel. The design targets heat buildup inside the cabin, creating a more refreshing ride when factory air conditioning is low or unavailable. This compact cooling tool features a 3-speed setting, letting you control air circulation based on the day's temperature. The fan head rotates in all directions, allowing wind direction to be aimed precisely where needed. It ensures that both front seat and back seat passengers can feel cooler air during hot road trips. Passengers of all ages, including children and pets, benefit from consistent breeze across the cabin. The fan connects to standard power banks or car chargers through its USB-powered input. Without a battery inside, there is no concern about overheating during summer parking. Its lightweight design attaches directly to car vents using a sturdy clip, which holds firm over uneven roads or highway bumps. Once installed, it stays in place, offering peace of mind and continuous function during motion. Built with a quiet brushless motor, it delivers strong airflow without causing disturbance. With a sound level around 30 decibels, it keeps the interior peaceful even when active. The thoughtful size and performance combination make this fan a practical companion for daily commutes, family drives, and long trips under the sun. TriPole car fan helps maintain comfort with efficient air movement while conserving space and energy. In our list, the number 5 product name is Poraxy Dual Head Car Fan. The Poraxy Dual Head Car Fan is made to improve airflow and passenger comfort inside a vehicle. It is built for use on the backseat headrest, helping children, pets, and passengers stay cool during long drives or hot days. This fan helps create better air movement when the built-in car cooling system is not enough, especially in the rear section of the car where airflow is often limited. Its rotating heads can be moved by hand to any direction, making sure cool air reaches different parts of the seat area. The adjustable speed lets the user find the most comfortable airflow level without being restricted by fixed speed steps. This is useful for families traveling during summer, as it helps reduce discomfort and keeps everyone calm and refreshed. The design helps control heat and unwanted smells by supporting stronger air exchange. It also helps reduce window fog and moisture, improving safety during cold or rainy conditions. The fan is easy to connect using the cigarette lighter socket, and its long power cord makes it suitable for many types of vehicles. Its compact shape fits different headrest types and can be installed without tools. From sedans to vans, this fan adds extra comfort for passengers in the back. Travelers who spend time on long road trips or parents with small children may find this fan useful. It brings better control over rear seat climate, offering a portable solution that helps improve the travel experience in all weather. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.